Okay, 54 wants us to solve this equation. So A says find a simpler equation to solve, right? So this is what we've been doing in class for a couple days now. And I believe the CPM text calls this fraction buster, but okay. So we want to multiply by the least common multiple so that we can get rid of our fractions, right? So the least common multiple here is 200, right? So I'm going to multiply this side of the equation by 200 and this side of the equation by 200, right? Multiplication property of equality. So that leaves us with 3 plus 4x equals 14. Okay, so that's A, find the simpler equivalent equation, right? And now we solve it, right? So we subtract 3, right? Subtract 3. And we get 4x equals 11. That's the subtraction property of equality, right? And then we divide by 4, and we get x equals 11 fourths, right? So B says, which method listed in the lesson method? I'm less concerned about that, all right? I'm more concerned that you know that this step is the multiplication property of equality, right? This step is the subtraction property of equality. This step is the division property of equality, right? I'm more concerned that you know those steps rather than you know that it's called fraction buster or whatever in CPM.